Yo, what's going on? It's Crypto Trav coming at you again 5 days away from Christmas, trying to get you guys this money. So if you haven't already, check out my page. If you're just starting, I have videos on how to start making your first purchase on Bitcoin, how to get into BitConnect, and how to also earn free Bitcoin. Today I'm bringing you this video because I want to show you guys the platform I use to trade altcoins. And the platform I use is called Bittrex. There's different ones out there such as Binance, but this is just the first one I got into because I actually found some of the tools to be useful. Not saying the other ones aren't good, but this is just the main one that I'm using. What Bittrex is basically a platform that allows you to trade altcoins. And what an altcoin is a coin that there's different cryptocurrencies out there. It's not just Bitcoin. There's also Verge, Bitcoin, there's Redcoin, Litecoin, and you guys could get into all of that. It was just like when Bitcoin was at a smaller stage. These are just under it. They're just not as valued as much as it. You get into these, and some of them are actually gold for you to getting to where Bitcoin is and getting the money that you would like. You just gotta use resources like this to find out how you can do it. It's the same process. For this, you can't buy Bitcoin on here, so you would have to buy Bitcoin from Coinbase, send it from your wallet or wherever you purchase your Bitcoin from, and then you'd have to send it over here through the address. It's the same process, and it's not that difficult. So once you get it on here, you're able to use, there's 3 different markets that I see on this website, which is Bitcoin market, which means you can buy whichever altcoin you would like to buy through Bitcoin. There is Ethereum, which you can buy any altcoin you want through Ethereum, and there's USDT, which means you can buy any coin that's available on this website, because this doesn't have every altcoin, so there's some you would have to go to different places to use, and you can purchase them from here. So let me give you an overview. I'm just going to show you guys how when you click on one of the altcoins, it will look through this. So this is Bitcoin Cash. This is a chart right here, basically bulls and bears. The greens are the bulls, as we all know, and the red is the bears, meaning negative, bulls, positive, going up. They give you the last price that was asked for, or the last price it was sold at. The volume is the amount that this currency has in circulation at the moment. The bid is when you're buying, you bid it at a certain price, and when it gets to that price, you purchase. The asking is for people that are selling. When you're selling your Bitcoin, you ask for a certain price, and somebody who's buying will bid for it. The 24-hour high is the highest point that this currency has been in the last 24 hours. The low point is the lowest that the currency has sold for in this last 24 hours. Going under, trading. This is where you buy and sell whatever currency you have. You need to buy through Bitcoin. You would enter in the amount that you would like. If you put max, it'll basically connect it through how much Bitcoin you actually have and how much you could purchase at the price that you want. And when you're over here, depending on how you trade, you can bid for it, or you could go for the last asking price. And the last asking price is the last price that they ask for over here if you want to get into it quick. Bidding, if you want to bid a certain price and wait for them to purchase it at that price. And then the total would be the amount of BTC that it would take in order for you to get the certain amount that you're getting. And the opposite side is the same thing. You sell as much as you have. So if I had BCC, it would give me the amount of BCC right here. And then I'll put max, or the amount that I would actually like to sell. Then I'll put the price that I'm asking for. And then the total will be presented down there. It's simple stuff. You guys understand how that works. Down here, you have the order book. And the order book right here is the people that's bidding. Every time a transaction is done, it will show up right here for a bid, for people buying. Right here, if someone is asking, you will see how much they're asking for, and every transaction will update. This is actually something good to look at if you guys are doing it. Like, if you see a lot of people buying over here, that's probably a good time to realize it's going on the rise and people want to get in it. So you sell. It's a weird process. It goes back and forth, but after some time of doing this, you will understand it. I feel like you should actually buy when people are selling, and you sell when people are buying, depending on if it's something that you want to get out short term and make a little profit off of. But if you want to keep it long term, as such as Bitcoin, when Bitcoin was minimal money, and then it shot up to thousands. You could do that. That's a hold. Open orders. These are the orders that I would have open for this. And the market history is right here, basically showing you everything in total that's going on. So there's also, I sent some money to this account to show you guys, just to invest in something that I see. You guys probably won't even like this coin, but it's probably, I think it's ranked. It's not ranked that high, but I just seen something in it and I wanted to get into it. But I don't suggest you guys get into something like this if you're not, if you have ideas on it. This is just my preference. And I want to hold this for a bit to see, because I seen that it went up to about $1 and somewhere above $1, and it was coming from like 40 something cents. I said, okay, let me hop in this. So I hopped in it when it was low, and I'm waiting for it to rise. So like I was saying, I can sell this much right here. I'm able to sell this for whatever price I want. And then if I want to buy again, I come on this side and buy. And these charts actually give you a lot of information when you start to learn how to read it. Like, it tells you what prices are going high, if it's going up, if it's going down, where you should get in, the high point. Like this right here, let me zoom in and try to give you guys like a little detail on it. So this is the high point, and obviously you can see it's red, which means the bears are taking over and winning this candle right here. And the lower the point, as you can see, the low point is right here. The bears are getting, like, they're eating this up. And the high, they're trying to keep it at a high point, but it's not being able to because the bears are actually bringing it down. So it's being sold and it's just not working out right now. So this is just something I'm going to keep because I want to see it skyrocket again and just make quick profit. Nothing that I'll hold though. Nothing I'll hold for a long time. And what Breakout is, it's basically a digital currency gambling. So people gamble with these coins, and they have their website. You can check that out. BRK. It's pretty cool for a website, and it was just something I seen for short-term gain. And through this, you can have a lot of different tools that will help you, like a moving average. This is one of my tricks, but I'll show you something. It's just short-term, 9 candles, see the average. And then you use another one to basically, with a longer length, to see the average of that and see if it's going up or down. And when lines cross, I'll give you guys more details on that later on. This is something that you guys don't know about, but I'll get that to you guys. And then you have your wallet. As you guys can see in this, my wallet is going to be very dry. It's not that much invested on this website right now, but you guys can check it out. This is the amount of USD I have, and if it was converted to Bitcoin, it would be this much. So these coincide. This is what I invest. Well, this is not what I invest in, but this is everything. They show a chart of everything. And as you can see, BRK is the one I'm invested in, and I transferred from BTC, and it wasn't a full transfer, so it left 0.2 because I couldn't buy nothing with that much because it wasn't enough to get a certain another quantity of BRK. And it gives you the history of how much you deposited, how much you withdraw, pending funds, and whatnot. And then that's basically the basis. So if you want to actually send money over here, if you want to send Bitcoin, this is if you want to add. If you want to add Bitcoin from another location, this is your address to add it to Bittrex from whatever location. So I would put this address in Coinbase and send it directly over here if I wanted to invest Bitcoin in here. But you cannot purchase Bitcoin from this website directly. You would need to have your starting source in order to get that onto here. And it's the same with anything else. If you have Litecoin somewhere and you want to transfer it from here, if you use Binance and you have Litecoin there, you can add it here. If you want to withdraw it, you click your withdrawal and then you send it to whatever address, the quantity. They're going to give you their fee and how much it is to withdraw, how much you're withdrawing. So I was just giving you guys this video to show you what platform I use to trade my altcoins. If you guys have any questions, let me know. And I'm going to be bringing you guys more videos more consistently so that you guys can have something from somebody who's at the beginning to get to the next level. Also, check out my videos. Like I said, I can show you guys how to start. I can show you guys how to invest in BitConnect, which I have money over there, accumulating interest every day, which is beautiful. And once you get to a certain level and referrals and all that good stuff, it all works out. And also, I have another video on how to earn free Bitcoin. So check that out if you guys are really interested. If you have anything else that you guys want me to know, comment below. Comment down and let me know because I'm here to help you. Like, subscribe, and let's move on. Crypto Trav out.